Hello, this is a image I've scanned into different tiles, each unique tile, and made a world from that. Now, my goal here is to replace the tiles with my own tiles so that I preserve the world. So anyway, I have grass selected. I'm gonna look for my grass tile. I found it. I'm gonna use this one. So now I've replaced all those with that. I'm gonna get this tile, and I'm not sure which one I want to replace with, but I guess I'm gonna just use this grass. Grab these trees. Okay, I got the tree. Replace it. Replace from disk. Need to find the tree. Okay. And now those are replaced. Alright, thank you for watching the video.